If you want to edit slow motion videos on Google Pixel 10, first of all, we need to go to the Photos app. Next, we want to find and open the slow motion video that we wish to customize. So over here, I have mine. We can tap on the video that is being played in order to open these, this timeline and so on and so forth. And as you can see, above the main timeline, we also have the additional one with dots, where we also have a section that is spread out, and this spread out section is pretty much the slow motion effect. It can be adjusted by grabbing by these lines over here on the left and right side. So we can make a full video in slow motion effect if you want to. So as you can see now, it's gonna be pretty much the whole video in slow motion. And also we can just, add just this part over here. We can make only this one part in slow motion if you want to, and so on and so forth. Now, in addition to that, of course, we can press edit at the bottom of the screen in order to find additional editing tools that you have for pretty much every video over here. So as you can see, we can stabilize, enhance, use audio eraser, and so on and so forth. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.